There's a feeling in the air right now that's hard to describe, like the world is quietly coming apart at the seams, but no one knows how to say it out loud. People don't wake up tired anymore, they wake up defeated. Before they even touch the ground with their feet, the weight of the day is already sitting on their chest. Everywhere you look, someone's losing something: a job, a home, a marriage, a dream, a sense of who they are. And the strangest part is, nobody is shocked anymore. This is just what life feels like now. The cost of living climbs, salaries don't, bills grow, hope shrinks. We're all trying to stretch a single breath across an entire day. And behind it all is this quiet, heavy dread, the feeling that the systems we trusted, the routines we built, the world we thought was stable, isn't stable at all. People don't talk about it directly, but you can feel it in the way conversations trail off, in the way friends answered, "I'm fine," but their eyes look somewhere else, like they're trying not to fall apart in front of you. It's not just stress, it's not just money, it's not just burnout, it's the sense that something has broken and we're all pretending it hasn't. There's a word for what everyone's carrying now: lived uncertainty. It's waking up and not knowing if your company will still exist next year. It's scrolling through endless posts about layoffs, automation, AI replacement, inflation, housing, scarcity, and thinking, when is it my turn? When does this hit me? A generation ago, people feared getting fired. Now people fear becoming obsolete. That's a different kind of fear, a deeper one. It cuts into identity, it cuts into worth, it cuts into the story you tell yourself about who you're supposed to be. And because everyone is exhausted, nobody has the energy to process it. So we push forward on autopilot, wake up, work, survive, repeat. But inside, something is unraveling. Something spiritual, emotional, psychological. We've hit a point where people aren't just burned out, they're so tired. The kind of tired sleep doesn't fix. The kind of tired you feel in your bones. The kind that makes you question everything. And it's not your fault. It's not laziness. It's not weakness. It's that the world is becoming heavier faster than we can adapt. And we're blaming ourselves for a weight no human was meant to carry alone. But here's the part: people rarely say out loud, the unraveling isn't just happening to you, it's happening to everyone. We're living in a moment where the entire foundation of society is shifting work, meaning identity, money, technology, purpose. Everything is being rewired at the same time. And of course it feels overwhelming. Of course it feels terrifying. Of course you feel like you're slipping. You're not broken. You're just reacting to a messed up world. This is the beginning of the story, not the end. Because when everything unravels, something else begins. People will wake up. People will begin to question. People remember who they are beneath the noise. And people will start searching for something real again. This is the age of unraveling.